Hi, kamusta ka tol? Kikwentuhan kita ko nung maganda sa keyboard na to. Sa Lazada ko pala to nabili for around 1.6. Ito nga pala yung Redragon Kumara K552 TKL mechanical keyboard. Tara, review natin. Kasama sa box niya guys ay isang keycap puller tsaka yung kanyang manual. Nakikita niyo din guys, meron siyang Otimo Blue mechanical switch. Ito ay clone ng Cherry MX Blue. Pero same pa din naman yung feel niya pag nagta-type ka. Wala siyang input lag. Pag nagpa-press ka, mare-register din naman siya ng mabilis. Double shot injected din pala yung keycaps ni guys. Ibig sabihin, di siya magfe-fade over time. Yun nga lang po, di po braided yung cable niya. Yung interface niya po is USB 2.0 and gold plated siya. Meron din siyang rubber feet para makakatulong para di ma-strain yung kamay mo pag nagta-type ka ng matagal. Approximately 70 inch yung length ng cable niya guys. Then meron din siyang kasamang velcro strap for cable management para malinis yung setup mo tingnan. Pag naglalaro ka, matetel mo talaga yung difference niya between sa membrane. Then flawless yung keys niya pag pinipress mo. Hindi siya masapnot pindutin. Higit sa lahat, hindi siya mushy. In terms of durability naman, well made talaga siya and durable siya. Well, hindi siya talaga nagfe-flex. Less na lang kung malakas ka at nag-gym ka talaga. Quick typing test lang po. On the top of the arrow keys naman, malolocate mo yung indicator light niya which lights up if you hit caps lock and scroll lock. Unfortunately, wala siyang numeric lock kasi nga TKL yung layout niya. Here are some of its LED effects. Yung model kasi na binili ko single color lang, red lang yung color niya. Kasi para mag-match din sa setup ko. Red, black, and white kasi yung theme ng setup ko Yan yung breathing na LED effect niya. Makokontrol mo yung speed niya by pressing FN, then plus kung pabilisin mo, then FN, tsaka minus kung pa-slow mo lang. Ito yung static na LED effect niya. Nare-recommend ko to kasi kahit maaraw, maganda siya tingnan. Then kapag madilim naman, malinaw yung letters niya. And sa personal naman guys, hindi siya sharp tingnan. Nag-glow siya. Maganda siya talaga. My conclusions. Well, kung pumunta kayo dito para malaman kung maganda ba talaga to, sinasabi ko sa inyo, oo. At talagang maire-recommend ko talaga to for people out there na gustong magkaroon ng mechanical keyboard but they're on a budget. In my opinion, ito yung pinaka high quality na budget keyboard na nasa market ngayon. Yung performance niya is more than the price niya and sobrang worth it and high quality talaga niya for its price point. And it gets the work done. Now, pros and cons. The good side about this keyboard is that, well, it is affordable, it is high quality, it is cheap considering that it is a mechanical keyboard, it has a long cable, double shot injected yung keycaps niya. Meron siyang Windows key lock na pwede niyong magawa by pressing FN plus Windows key. Durable siya, spill-proof din siya, pero hindi ko pa na-test yun. Space saver din siya thanks for its TKL layout. Now, moving on to the disadvantages about this keyboard. It has a 10 keyless layout and maingay siya, which is bad if yung paggagamitan mo nito is for your office. Although there is many budget keyboard out there that has a silent key switch and has a numeric pad. Hindi customizable yung switch niya. Well, customizable naman siya, pero kailangan mo pa i-desolder para mapalitan yung switch niya. Yun lang naman yung disadvantages niya. But overall, kung gaming lang naman and typing ang paggagamitan mo nito, you're good to go with this one. Is quick typing test or sound test? Ewan ko, basta pag natatype ka, eto yung sound niya.